Oh my God! Look at my dinner,
Okay, so you know the game for every week
Daddy.
they're having
See?
this thing
Alex, may I see yours?
called FNCS,
Ew.
which is like Fortnite
Randy?
characters. They're having 5 weeks.
And this is mine.
Like, I don't know the top things you can get every week, but like, you can make them. If you have a
Oh
good
my
team.
God! Now
Yeah.
attack.
And like me and my
So good.
Let's go attack this.
Like you should actually like Randy's actually really good.
Eat the steak first.
Yeah, I know,
But it's
sir.
$1 million.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't say I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna eat my steak.
Like, I was gonna play the warm-up song.
Paitan natay ba nga murag
On
babysitter?
Saturday, there's the warm-up.
Babysitter. Babysitter.
And the next
Kanong
week,
steak.
on Saturday, they're having.
Lagar ba na ko yung mga baka sa una?
And then what's it called? In winter, there's this thing called the Winter Royale tournament. And it's like, I think in prizes, it's
Okay, let's try this rare.
$15 million in prizes.
Sige. Hiwa.
Oh,
Hiwa.
no, but they give,
Did you play that online game that recently ended with like a black hole?
yeah, I know,
Devouring the whole universe.
that's the game I'm talking about.
Yeah.
What happened to the black hole? Butter. Pagpadagdag ng
Were you
cholesterol.
playing it when that happened?
You weren't allowed to.
Yeah, there's like, I played the event right before it.
It's a really weird, I don't know, thing. But it's not like they were gonna lose players. In fact, the opposite. Probably gained a lot more.
Steak.
Where reports of parents calling into the company complaining because
Yes.
their kids are so depressed.
Nakuha na eh.
That's so sad. It's unfortunate.
Yeah, but that game, last season, before like Black Hole happened, they had 4 tournaments every week. For at least like every week of the tournament or season. So like you could just make money like Monday or no. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday and Sunday they had the Fortnite Champion Series, which is like the big tournament.
In the game I'm good in,
There's no tournament.
what? Yeah, they lose. I'm talking about Smash Brothers.
The highest you can make is probably like $50 from local tournaments.
Yeah, $50
From
one
in-game
week.
tournaments, I can make over 1,000
Okay,
more.
but the competition's way higher than that.
Lobster.
Once I get a car, I'll probably go to Smash Weeklies and probably win $50 every few months. Or maybe every week if I'm really good. So, that's good.
Let me try.
And if I had the required stuff and the not so busy plans of going to the
Lobster
beach
good siya.
every
Nya
single week.
kini. Baka good.
We're gonna go outdoors.
Baka good siya. Bakang lami.
Are you actually gonna pursue playing Fortnite?
Yeah,
Delicious.
Okay, but make sure you have a backup plan.
not as a job.
No, I want high blood on it.
Have a backup plan.
Playing Fortnite is a hobby.
Probably by the time you're job age, it'll be a different game. That's
Yeah, I know.
the big exciting one.
Sune. Sauce.
And Fortnite might end up being a different
Order
game.
ko medium rare.
Yeah, because they literally changed the
Pula-pula.
whole game. Like the whole game plays
Sila
different.
nag-order og rare. Hilaw.
Medium rare.
Fortnite is
Tagawan
actually
ng-
like
Kuan baka sa
Minecraft.
Uy. Sa man hilaw mo na ba na?
Medium rare, it's not rare.
Eh,
I really like Minecraft. Rare.
Patay lahi ag yun yung pagod ug dili pagod. Pagod ug dili pagod. Siyempre, babae ko di magpasiksig yung kagkaon. Ano?
Steak? Oh, yeah, for you.
Yeah. Lobster dayon. Sabiyaw eh. Flamingo na lang ta ko ba?
Prefer without it.